guys, it's Beck, or Beck the Noir, and I wanted to show you guys today how I took my silver painting on my armor from this, which is, it's cool. It's silver, it's flat, it's boring. Not a whole lot of dimension there, not a whole lot of texture. To this. It looks almost like a hammered effect. It has multiple different silver colors in it. It just looks really cool in my opinion. So I just want to show you guys how I did this with 3 simple paints, 1 paintbrush. No fancy dremel, no fancy heating tools, nothing along those lines. It's really simple to give your work a really cool paint job with just some simple techniques that I really would like to show you. I want to apologize for my background. I am currently filming this at 4 a.m. In my fiance's office, where we also store things in the closet in here, because I just really wanted to get you guys this video out before Friday. Today's Friday, so hopefully I can do all the editing and the voiceover and everything within the next 3 hours. A little bit of a catch up. I know I haven't been on YouTube for a very long time. I just had a lot of life things get in the way, and adding video editing and such to my process when I'm working on cosplay kind of was a little bit more of a hassle for me. I stopped styling wigs as much. I really didn't have much to put out, and I had learned how to make armor. I was not at the area where I wanted to be before I started making tutorials on armor, so I wanted to make sure that I could build something at least somewhat well before showing you guys how I do things. So I think we're to that point. Hopefully YouTube will become a regular thing for me again. If you like it, like, subscribe. If you want to see more of my process, if you have any questions, if you want to just talk to me, I am always active over on Instagram. If you are interested in getting plaid products, use my promo code BeckTheNoir123, all one word, and that would help me out immensely. You'd be supporting me and getting 15% off of your total sale on plaidonline.com. So without further ado, this is how I do this. So first thing I do is I base all of my armor pieces in black. This is Licorice by Folk Art. And then I take 2 different types of silvers. I take a darker and a lighter one. Both of these are by Plaid FX. And then I use a round-headed brush. And then I just take that darker silver, this one's called Samurai Sword, and I start stippling that on. You want to stipple because it gives you that hammered texture. You want to leave some black in there because it also adds to that cool hammered texture. You don't want to cover it completely. You don't want to do any brush strokes because you're going to lose that really cool texture that we're going for here. Leave your darkest points or your indented points black, and it gives a really grungy, really kind of battle-worn armor look. It's super cool in my opinion. But you just stipple, stipple, stipple. Real quick catch up. This armor is Ysera from World of Warcraft. The design is by Syndress Art. I wore her and competed at MomoCon. Some of you guys might have seen me there. That was a really fun, really cool experience. I would do again. Anyways, here we are. This is our first darker silver layer done, and then I'm taking that lighter silver. This one is Chainmail by Plaid FX, and I'm stippling inside of the darker silver. So you want to stay inside those lines, so then that way it kind of looks like it's getting deeper or darker as it's going out to that black area. Because if you have like a lighter color right next to the black, you kind of lose that dimensional look that you're going for. And again, stipple, 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 no brush strokes, leave that black there, that sort of thing. And you just do that all the way around. And here's our finished results. Thank you guys for watching. It's a real quick tutorial how I did this cool effect. Again, 3 paints, 1 paintbrush, and if you want to see my process, want to check me out other places, have any questions, feel free to check out my socials, check out the description for links and promo codes and things for 15% off plaidonline.com. And yeah, I appreciate you all. Thank you again, and I will hopefully see you next time. Bye!